So here's a fun little story. These guys I got from Gary, from his barn. He used to work up at Bull Run Water Reservoir, and there's this big wood trellis work that holds up an aqueduct, and one of his jobs was to walk the top of it and inspect everything, get to the other side, and then walk the bottom. And to pass the time when he would walk the bottom, he'd tie these saplings into knots and then come back in a few years and harvest them. So I don't know how old these guys are, but I've got a bunch of these knotted saplings that could turn into something interesting, along with all the rest of the slabs and the stumps. And I had a previous video where there's some engravings on these with the years that he harvested. Oh, there's one right there. February 76. But yeah, pretty neat little story that goes along with these.